Good morning, my name is Bruno, and I talk about my global problem. I decided deforestation because the people don't know the damage they provoke in the world. And now I put a video explain a little bit what is deforestation. Yeah, I'm explaining the video. Deforestation is declining, destroying the of grid, the library and natural occidental needs. And now I put pictures explain the cause the deforestation that is affects the world. Okay, in 2019, the tropic lost an 11.9 million hectares of trees. That's a lot of. The Amazon, the Amazon um, deforestation have grown in recent years since governments passed a law in 2012 that forgave illegal foresting, deforesting, deforestation. Sorry. And now Brazil is the first place deforestation laws trips in the world because the Congress passed this law. Um, the second is Republic of Congo, and deforestation is more because they're brown and slow. The agriculture, the collecting, the collection of food and charcoal and illegal logging and road infrastructure development. Now they lost 3 million of hectares in the year. Indonesia and is incredible because this country the history is interred in the forest and the past in the time they lost a lot of hectares. Exactly in 1985 and to and 2000 they most lost trees. My solution is buy organic paper, looking for the truthful logo, don't print when it's not necessary, and another's because the trips are important for us, and if lost, we can die, really die. And my reflections about this global problem, I think the people uh, destroying the air and don't know that. Exactly. See the ignorance of people. And the consequence uh, is a lot because we affect the sky, the air, the everything in the world. Um, the human is more worried many times. The environment deforesting. Sometimes human, he is aware of everything he does. Thank you for your attention.